How to clean the Dyson V6 cordless vacuum, a step-by-step guide. If you notice your vacuum is making a terrible sound, it has a foul odor, it's no longer picking up debris, or it's just been a while, it's probably time to clean your vacuum. So today, let me walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to clean your Dyson V6 cordless vacuum. Let's go! Start by disassembling the vacuum. To remove the stick cylinder from the motor base, press the button on the stick down and pull the pieces apart. Repeat the same process for removing the vacuum head from the stick. Cleaning the head and roller. Now that the head is free from the stick, flip it over to assess any stuck hair or debris in the brush roll. Locate the slight indented line in the roller. This is intended for scissors or vacuum cleaning tool to cut any stuck hair. Place your tool on the line and pull across, ensuring your hands and fingers are out of the way to free any hair wrapped around the roller. Grab and remove any stuck-on hair, lint, or other debris from the roller now that it's free. Next, locate the button on the side of the head and click it until the lock piece pops open. Gently grab the roller from the side and pull it out completely. Locate the gray roller cap on one side and screw it to remove. Then you can remove any trapped hair that may be still wrapped around the roller. Once all hair and debris has been removed, grab a rag and some multi-purpose cleaner to wipe and remove any dirt or debris from the plastic part of the roller and the bristles. Make sure to also wipe down the cap, as dirt can become trapped in this area as well. Return the cap to the side of the brush roller by simply pressing back on until you hear it click. Set the brush roller aside for now. Grabbing the head again, remove any debris, fuzz, or hair caught in the vacuum opening and channels of the vacuum. Next, grab a dry, skinny vacuum brush and use it to clean and loosen up any caught debris in the channels. Because this part of the vacuum bends, it can often catch and hold dust in the folds of the tube, so it's important to clean it. Next, gently tap the vacuum onto a towel to remove any debris you have loosened up. And don't forget to grab anything hiding in the outside of the tubes as well. Flipping the head around, use the skinny brush to also remove dust and debris from the opening on the bottom and around the glass window. Next, grab a slightly damp mini scrub brush or a toothbrush and use it to scrub any stuck-on debris in the head, especially along the back side near the opening. This will help prevent clogs in the future. To get that window clean, grab a rag and some multi-purpose spray again and wipe it out. Don't forget to clean the wheels too. This is extremely important to remove any small particles like salt or sand that may get stuck on them, as this can actually cause scratches and damage to your floor. Then wipe all the remaining exterior of the head before reinserting the brush roll and set aside for now. Cleaning the stick arm cylinders. As this piece has electronics in them, you do not want to place or soak them in direct water. So start by grabbing your dry, long, skinny vacuum brush again and insert it into the stick to loosen up any debris in the interior. Gently tap the tube on the ground to remove the now loose debris. Grabbing a rag and some multi-purpose cleaner, wipe the exterior of the stick arm cylinder and the interior or openings, then set aside for now. Moving on to disassembling and cleaning the motor handheld vacuum and dustbin. First, you want to empty the dustbin and any debris that's still in there. Over a trash can, press down on the red switch until the door opens, releasing the debris from the dustbin. Tap the bin against the wall of the trash can or your hand to release any excess. To remove the dustbin completely, continue holding down on the red tab and slowly wiggle the dustbin downward until it comes free from the motor. Next, you want to remove the post-motor filter. Grab the little knob on top and pull outward to remove. Cleaning the motor handheld vacuum and filters. Debris and fuzz can get stuck in the lining of the motor and pre-motor filter, so remove any excess dust by hand or with a soft, dry brush. To clean the pre-motor filter, use the dry, soft brush to gently push dust out and away from the filter. You can use this brush to dust inside the filter channels and on top where the post-motor filter inserts as well. Next, grab a dry, soft cloth and wipe the filter to remove any excess dust or debris from the pre-motor filter. If you find dust and small particles still sticking to the pre-motor filter, grab a compressed air can or vacuum with an air compression capability and gently blow the dust out of the filter areas. Note this will get dust everywhere, so it's best to do this outside. To clean the post-motor filter, simply run it under cold water and gently tap it on the side of the sink or a cloth to remove any stuck debris from the inside of the filter. Rinse until the water runs clean. Set aside to air dry fully, which can take up to 12 hours. To clean the dustbin, gently wipe it out with a soft, clean rag to remove any dust or debris. You can use the long, skinny, soft brush again to clean the channels where the bin attaches to the vacuum. Then, while avoiding any electronic parts, gently rinse the cup in the sink to remove any remaining buildup and set aside to air dry fully. Assembling the vacuum. Once all parts are thoroughly dry, you can begin reassembling your vacuum. Ensure you hear a click as each part goes back into its place, and your vacuum is ready to be used once again. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Home Reimagined for more cleaning and home content. Drop a comment below on what vacuum you'd like to see us give you a step-by-step guide on cleaning next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.